Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to do another Mcgrath holiday. I know it's not holiday, but I'm going to use the Dark Star palette. So this is the mini palette that came out during the holidays. I think you can still get it as like a non-holiday thing. I hope it's permanent so I don't have to keep saying holiday. And what I wanted to do is a super dramatic smoky eye that's going to go all the way up to my brow bone, and we're going to use Interstellar and Dark Matter. So it's going to do like a navy blue smoky eye, and if I'm feeling sassy, then I might put a little bit of gloss for the picture just so that there's a little bit of like a little suspense moment, you know, going on. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna get right into it. As usual, I have my full face of foundation, concealer, brows. I thicken them. I didn't make them longer. This is actually how long they actually are. I just thickened them a little bit. Highlighter and contour and a little bit of blush, and that's it. I'm gonna start out by using the NARS eyeshadow base. And now I'm just gonna use Dark Matter and create the shape. I'm not gonna use a crease brush for this. I'm probably just gonna use this and just kind of like a marker, you know, fill in everything. And this is kind of exciting for me because this is a look that wasn't, you know, it's kind of inspired by Val Garland. She's a makeup artist and she just has a book out, and I'm trying to copy like one of the smoky eyes that she did. But I'm gonna do my own spin on it, so it's not gonna be exactly the same. But it's also like this performance by Annie Lennox and David Bowie, you know, it was like a Queen tribute concert where Annie Lennox has really dramatic black eye makeup, and this kind of reminds me of it, and I was kind of inspired to do something similar, you know, to it. Okay, now I'm using the shader brush from Laura, which is just a flat. I'm gonna put it on the lid. Okay, now I'm gonna define and sketch the shape a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna use an even smaller brush to kind of draw the details. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna do a light dusting of Interstellar on top. With the little pencil brush from Mac, I'm going to apply it on the inner corners. And apply a very small amount on the lid as well. Now I'm gonna diffuse a little bit of the outer corners using shade, I think it's Provocatrice. No, Metropolis. I'm gonna use Metropolis and I'm just gonna like diffuse the darkness around. That way this diffused edge makes this edge look sharper. I'm going to use the black again just to define the inner corners to make them more sharp. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner just on the areas that are dark. Actually, I'm gonna use a little bit more Metropolis and smoke out the inner portion just so there's more difference in quality and line, you know? Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara. I might put some gloss on this, take some pictures, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the audio for this portion is gonna be shitty because I ran out of space on my mic card. But yeah, here you go. This is the finished look. I did add a little bit of gloss, you know, mixed in with Interstellar, just to kind of make it a little bit more textural, you know, to bring more interest to the look. And it came out really good. It came out a lot better than I expected. And it's totally different than Val Garland's because hers is just a regular smoky eye. That's like an interesting shape, but I think that mine, we have an interesting shape just like hers, but we put lines, texture, and color. So we went a little bit extra, you know, because we were just a tad bit sassy. As usual, I'm going to be posting photos and a video. If you want to see more, you're more than welcome to go to my Instagram. It's @VixForHere and see the rest of the vision for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am happy I'm doing another Pat Mcgrath because I feel like I did a couple of NARS videos and I kind of put Pat on hold. But Pat is back And actually I'm excited to see what other things I'm gonna get into this year. I definitely need a new eye palette. You know, I'm getting used to the colors that I have already, and I kind of want something new for, you know, to inspire me, to inspire something new. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, and if you haven't, please subscribe and ring the bell button so you know when I have new videos. Don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.